Okay, good afternoon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, katatapos lang ng hearing ng Committee on Justice sa Kongreso, uh, kung saan pinangunahan ng chairman ng Committee on Justice ni Congresswoman Jinky Loestro. So, katatapos lang at walang ni isang lawyer umattend sa kampo ni BP Sara at si BP Sara is wala din, hindi rin. At sa isang sinabing sulat galing sa lawyer ni BP Sara na nagsasabing wala daw jurisdiction ang Committee of Justice na mag-hearing sa impeachment na yon. Okay? So, nagkaroon ng matapang na at pag-disagree ni Congressman Rufus Rodriguez na gusto niyang bigyan ng order yung 6 na lawyer nagsasabing mini trial ang ginawa ng Committee on Justice at walang karapatan na tinggin ang isyung impeachment ni BP Sara. Pero nagsuggest nag-motion si Congresswoman Laila De Lima not to respond to whatever these 6 lawyers said about the authority of this Justice Committee to do the hearing of impeachment para sa sinabing do not the Committee on Justice will not justify, hindi bigyan ng parang halaga. So kasi pagka sagutin mo yun, meaning may parang naapektuhan ka. So ang gusto nila not to dignify, hindi bigyan ng pansin kung ano man yung sinasabi. Let these lawyers say their whatever they say, if it is not being really addressed formally to the committee. Okay? So, ang nakita kong mga magagaling na nagsashine talaga no, hindi nagtatahimik. So, we have una ay sinisipon ako siyempre yung chairwoman at ang talagang nag-participate si Congressman Ridon, Laila De Lima, magaling din si Rodriguez, yung batang Congressman Rodriguez, at si Congressman Adjong magaling din, at pero ang pinakakalma na magaling pero kalma si Jill Jokno, no? Talagang napaka mahinahon magsalita. Si Congressman Adjong naman matapang, pero nakikinig. Okay, mahinahon din. Pero parang anong tawag ba dyan? Parang sensitive siya, pero refined. Okay? So yun lang masasabi ko. So ang sunod na hearing ay also na merong ng mga motion doon na dalhin sa mga kung sinong concerned persons na magdala ng mga hinihingi, mga salin, ano pa yon. So that is to be brought, dadalhin to be presented sa Justice Committee sa sunod na hearing sa April 14. Pero meron silang move o meron na approve na any between today and April 14 there will be urgent motion that should be tackled by the Committee on Justice ay didinggin. Okay? So as pre-scheduled na, next ay sa April 14. Okay? Yan lang. Maraming salamat. I hope you also had the chance to observe the hearing. At hindi naman trial pa yon. Actually, they are just talking about grounds, yung mga rules and rules na susundin during the hearing, ano yung mga tatakilin by April 14. Okay? So, parang lumalabas na si BP Sara at yung kampo niya ay wala atang balak umattend or a total disregard of the committee hearing that is being heard by Committee on Justice. Ay, ako hindi lawyer, ang masasabi ko lang, sabi naman ni Chairwoman Jinky Lois to they will proceed. At nakalagay naman doon sa Constitution na during impeachment, the Committee on Justice has the power to compulsory at to have that compulsory attendance of those who are being required. So kung pag-unawa ko doon, if they have during impeachment, they're given the authority to have compulsory attendance, ibig sabihin pwede kang mamuwersa. So ibig sabihin, pagkakaunawa ko, i-research ko nga yan. Pero pagkakaunawa ko, if you have the power to have compulsory attendance, kung hindi susundin, they can issue contempt of court, no? So they can send subpoena. Pagka hindi pa rin umattend, they can send warrant of arrest. Parang yun ang unawa ko. Okay, i-research ko nga yan kung talagang tama ba yung analysis ko. Kasi di nga tayo lawyer, no? Pero tingin ko, base sa pagkakaunawa ko, kapag mayroong compulsory power ka, then pag somebody whom you sinusupina mo na kailangan yung attendance at hindi ka attend, pwede kang isyuhan ng contempt of court at so pwede kang isyuhan ng warrant of arrest. Okay? Yun lang. So, sa resulta ng research, i-share ko dyan. So, pwede mag-issue ng warrant of arrest ang Committee on Justice doon sa kung sino man yung gusto nilang patinin na ayaw umattend. At after serving the subpoena. Okay? So, yun yung resulta sa research.